Hi, I'm Disciplined Dave, and today we're going to work out our legs using a resistance band and nothing else. So if this is your first time tuning into this video is part of a series, the No Attachment Resistance Band Workout Series. So go ahead and click the playlist at the end of the video so you can follow along with the weekly planner that I provide at the end of the video. So if you're looking to work out your entire body, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single workout. Now for the subscribers out there, I have a special announcement. Go ahead and follow me right now on Instagram at Disciplined Dave because I'm gonna be doing something special for my Instagram followers out there. Now to figure out what that special announcement is, and make sure you tune in to next week's video because I'll tell you exactly what the announcement is. But if you want a head start, follow me on Instagram. I'm telling you right now, you're gonna wanna follow me. Today, I'm using resistance bands by Undersun Fitness. These are some of the best bands that you can buy. They are not a sponsor of the channel. I just really enjoy their bands for their excellent quality. Now, if you wanna see further why I love these bands so much, go ahead and check out my review video so you can see why these bands are some of the best. Now, let's go ahead and get started with the first exercise of this workout.
So our first exercise is going to be squats with the extra heavy Undersun resistance band. So we're going to go ahead and put our feet at the bottom of the band, and I'm going to show you here how we want to have that properly. So you want to go wide like this, but not narrow. Wide, narrow. So make sure your feet are in that wide position. That's what we want. Now let's talk about placement of hands. What you want is to make sure that your palms are up. It's going to sit in the middle of your hand, just like so. So now we're going to bend down, raise with our legs, and now we're in the perfect position. Alright, so I want you to take a look at this setup. I have my feet wide, I have the bands around the middle portion of my arms, pulling my arms inward towards my body where there's tension. Now let's begin the squat by going down, and you want to make sure that you're pushing off your heels and not your toes. Keep your back straight towards the entire movement and remain stable. Now we're going to do between 8 to 10 reps in 3 sets. So now we're going to do some lunges on the extra heavy resistance band. So the setup for this is that you want to make sure the bands are completely flat like this. And then with that flat surface, lay them down flat and put one foot down. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and grab at the bottom of the band. We're going to reach really far so we can get maximum tension. So now we're going to go ahead and squat down and come straight up. This is the equivalent of doing a squat with one leg. It's really going to help us focus on those quads. So you want to make sure you have really good tension and squeeze those quads at the top. Don't forget, just like the last exercise, that you want to make sure that you keep your heels planted. Now the next important thing that you want to remember is going ahead and hit that like button. I put a lot of work in making these videos to help people. If you hit that like button, it really helps out the channel. Thank you. This next exercise, I'm using a medium band, and you're going to put the band on the back of your heel, and you're going to get down on all fours just like this. So this is a band kickback. It's really going to help you develop your hamstrings, your glutes, and your gluteus maximus. So what you're going to do is put it behind your leg and you're going to kick up just like this. A lot of people also call this the donkey kick. So you need to make sure that you're stable throughout the exercise, push up, and you're going to squeeze those glutes. Now in this next exercise, we're going to use a heavy band for we're going to do a leg press. So get the band flat on your feet just like this. You want to grab the handles, roll back, and the key is you want your elbows pressing against the floor, keeping them flat. Now you're going to push up with your legs and keeping those arms, those elbows directly flat on the ground, and push up against this resistance. This is really going to help all portions of our legs. So make sure that you're using some really good resistance, and you're going to do 8 to 10 reps of 3 sets. So now we're going to do some calf raises. So make sure you use a heavy band. I'm using an extra heavy band by Undersun. And make sure that you go ahead and lay the band flat. You're going to stand on it just like so and put the band on your heels. Now you're going to come up and you're going to contract and squeeze those calves. Come up slowly and come down slowly. And you want to go all the way up and come down and controlled.
So this is how you should add this workout into your weekly schedule. Go ahead and use the videos from the No Attachment Series playlist and apply them this way. I recommend working out 5 days a week with 2 days rest. And in those 5 days, this is how you should follow the schedule. Day 1, biceps and triceps. Day 2, chest and traps. Day 3, shoulders and back. Day 4, use this video to work out your legs. Day 5, work out your abs and your forearms. And once again, make sure you take those 2 days rest. So now that you're done with this workout, go ahead and click the playlist so you can go ahead and check out those other muscle groups to work out. And if you've been working out and you're having trouble getting rid of that stubborn belly fat, check out this video also.